Yo, what up guys? Today is the day of Tokyo Auto Salon. Well, the day that we're going. It actually started yesterday and it's all 3 days of the weekend. Today is probably going to be the only chance we do have. Actually, Gutu is leaving tomorrow. Super short, but it really, it feels like we have crammed a lot in these past 2-3 days, and we can always save the rest of Japan touristy stuff for next time because this isn't gonna be the last.
Pretty satisfied. We got so much done in like just the last couple of days.
Exactly. It really feels like we tried to put so much into, and then we're just stuck in Shinjuku, which is like main city close to Tokyo. Just so much stuff to do in Japan. Today we're heading to, I forgot what the venue's called. We're gonna be heading to Shinjuku Station to meet up with Mila, and I think the actual transit time is around 1 hour to get to the convention center. Brett, he's already ahead, man. Cheers. He finished. Good start to the day.
Take a look.
We're here. So the convention center where Tokyo Auto Salon is taking place is called Makuhari Messi. This is where it always happens yearly at the very beginning of every year. And this is where you're gonna find most of the new products that are gonna be released for the rest of the year. Let's head inside. Shark Tank Lorry. This is where they have all those products. Alright. Yo, we're in, but it's just so overwhelming and we have no idea where to start.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
What is this, dude?
I don't wanna waste what's left.
What?
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Bruh, what is, that's like 60 inch? Look at those.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
What is this? All 1 out of 9 out of 10 hauls. Bruh, I'm tired. Dude, look at this thing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Really? No.
You gonna get coffee?
Time to wake up. We're in halls 1 to 8 now. Damn. So much to look at. Here's where you'll find all the JDM stuff. Hey. These guys came up with a genius plan. Just to make it look like we have a lot of cool car magazines at the shop, we're just gonna take as many freebies as possible. Hey, you gotta pay for that. Yo, this is a really clean E34. It's cleaned up. So Cool Racing, actually, they are responsible for these really extravagant body kits. And I'm gonna show you what their R35 body kit looks like. Unnecessary. What? You want a downforce? Wow. Damn. I see Honda. We're gonna go take a look at the new Mugen kit for the Type R. Yo, there it is. This thing is so badass, bro. Yo. First of its kind in this entire world. This thing is sick. Is that a Honda Civic? And look at the extension of the door. Basically covers the other door. That is so sweet. This is the... Yo, no. Whose color is this? Is the gay dude. The one from Impel Down. Oh, the king. The queen. Yeah, the queen drag, man. Yo, that is dope.
That's cool. This is like straight out of Pimp My Ride.
Yeah, I know, right? Dude, this is what I plan to do with my Beamer.
Really? Think you're gonna get pulled over as soon as you
Oh, for sure. I don't care.
Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, turned out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out.
Hold up. I had no idea Liberty Walk made a kit for the FRS. What is this? We found a local supporter. What's her name, man? Soul Animation?
Almost hit like 240,000.
Oh, for real, thanks for stopping me, man. That's awesome. Yo, have a good show, okay?
ドライバーに高橋和子神を狙ってまいります19年シーズンスーパー GT 開幕は4月の13、14日の岡山
One day. Bro, this guy is a genius. He brought his own ladder. Smart. Oh yeah, shoutouts to Kaiza coming up with this concept. MF Ghost. Okay, so MF Ghost is basically from the same creator as Initial D, and they have their own collaboration FRS. So this model is actually available. Oh, we're done here. think we've done so much walking already today. It just feels like it's been a long day. But first experience here at Tokyo Auto Salon, and I'd like to say definitely need the 3 days, but worth it. And I got to see all the cars that I wanted to see. I'm satisfied. Now let's go grab something to eat because I'm hungry. I know we're all hungry and we all need to sit down. We got up really early, okay? This is luxury, dude. We are in a Toyota Alphard, but we don't have these kinds of vans, these luxury vans in Canada, North America. So
So famous.
yeah, no, right? Come on, let's watch something! Woo! Light rain, but it's beautiful here. It's just so much lights everywhere. Lively. What the heck? There they are! Hey! Hey! Good seeing you, man. Oh, yo, what the heck? Barely. Hey! I'm Brett. Brett? Yeah.
Randy.
Oh, yeah, Randy.
Albo.
Drift Hunter. Yo, what up? How's it going? Crazy. What the heck, dude?
Dude, yes, we finally run into you
Oh
guys.
yeah, in Japan. Yo, look who it is.
What is up, everybody?
Long way from home, these guys.
Japan is amazing,
This is
dude.
your first time?
This is my first time. I'm like literally, I'm walking. Yeah. I'm literally walking around and I'm like looking at like signs and I'm blown away by that. It's
Yeah,
so
there's
crazy.
just a lot to look at.
Right, and it feels like real life anime. America!
Yay! Oh, yo, what up, Vince? How are you, man? How's Japan treating you so far?
Good. Well, cold.
No jet lag? Yeah, I know.
No jet lag, surprisingly. I love it.
I'm ready. What up? Drift Hunter.
Drift Hunter, welcome to Tokyo, man.
Man,
This time
thanks
Tokyo.
for having us.
Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Seriously, man.
Great. 2 years?
But honestly, yeah, I know, right?
Is it 2 years?
That's how fast time flies by.
All vloggers.
One look.
Well, I'm not even recording.
Oh, okay.
Everybody, where all the vloggers at? Roll call. Cameras up.
Vloggers.
Come by.
Let's go grab some car. Right. Brett, where are we?
I think we're in the greatest place in the world.
Good answer, dude. This is insane. Yo. This is like 5 floors up too, by the way.
On the 5th floor.
Wow. Kenpai time. Yes, put them in here.
You put it in the bag and bring it and put it.
Derpy. Yes, let's.
Everybody ready?
Hey.
Come by.
Oh, I totally missed.
Yo. Brett's doing some last minute shaving. He's actually getting the rest of his tattoo finished tomorrow, so that's gonna be so dope. Yo, cool, man. I'm stoked for that. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this video here. It's been a really long day, okay? And tomorrow we still have this meet that's happening at Mount Fuji. Looking forward to that because we get to say hi to all our friends and some we haven't seen in a long time. It's gonna be another early one, so I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments. Other than that, tomorrow's another day in Japan. I'll leave you guys and see you in the next video. Peace.